Hi, I'm Allie and welcome to the Haven's Kitchen YouTube channel. My friends and I are going to be sharing lots of cooking tips and tricks and hacks for your kitchen, as well as tons of recipes. Cooking is really good for you, physically, emotionally, spiritually. It's good for the planet. It's much less taxing on the environment. And yet, sometimes it can feel like a lot of work. So we've tried to make it easier for you so that you can feel more confident and joyful in the kitchen. If you're looking for recipes that will make you feel more confident, have more fun, save you stress, and bring more flavor to your kitchen, subscribe to this channel.